Hi all, welcome to my channel. This is Vernice. Today I'm going to show you a unit in Kota Kemuning, Arahsia Aman Tropicana. This unit is 22'x85 gated white house land, and you have 10 feet yard at behind. It has a spacious stretch of living and dining area, ample space at house front for parking. Here's a small room at downstairs, common toilet, this is the 10 feet extra yard. You have privacy, not facing houses, sections for kitchen. Here's the first floor, 3 rooms at first floor, a family hall with high ceiling, wooden flooring for all the rooms. This room number 2, facing the house. This is the house front, adjoining shower. Both rooms are mirror identical. Show you the master bedroom. This the yard facing. You have your privacy and greenery view. Attached bathroom. To arrange for viewing, please call 016-989-3389. See you in my next video. Bye.